How to install and fix UBlock Origin on Chrome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore UBlock Origin into your Chrome even though the Chrome extension store has blocked it. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. As I'm sure you already know, UBlock Origin is blocked on Chrome for not following the best practices. To get it back, go to this GitHub link, which will be posted in the description, click on Assets, and download uBlock chromium.zip. Unarchive the zip file and drop the folder on your desktop. Change the name of the folder to uBlock. Once you have this folder, hit the three dots on the side of Chrome and then hit Settings. From here, click Extensions, check this developer mode box, and then load unpacked. Once you do this, select your uBlock folder. Chrome may give you an error about this, and it may even attempt to turn this extension off the next time you open it, but for the time being, you are able to come in here to turn it on and ensure it works. Once it shows up, you're able to pin it like normal, and I'll go to a website real quick just to verify it is blocking. So we tested some pop-ups, it looks like all of them got blocked, and uBlock is showing them as blocked as well. This method might not work forever as Chrome goes on, but for the meantime, this is a great way to keep using uBlock within Chrome. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.